I just want a break from my own thoughts, from the constant noise in my head. It never really stops. Every small thing turns into a battle. Every quiet moment fills up with doubts, worries, regrets. I overthink everything until it feels heavy to even exist inside my own mind. I try to distract myself. I try to move. I try to go somewhere else. But no matter where I go, it follows me. Some days, my mind feels like my worst enemy. I don't want answers. I don't want clarity. I just want a little peace, even if it's only for a moment. Just one stretch of time where my thoughts loosen their grip and I can breathe without fighting myself.